Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today we are going to explore coconut tree view deck from Siargao. This is a very awesome place to see and enjoy the nature of the beauty. The coconut tree lines, as far as you can see, it looks like cover the whole island. That much of coconut tree is there. It was a sunny weather, good for us, so we can enjoy the nice climate over here. It's very good for photographs. Now the locals showing their skill. It is called human drone. The people don't have a drone. They can get a drone shot with the skill of the locals. The locals taking video, running front and back like a drone. The end result will be amazing, but at the time point, I didn't give that much importance because I already own a drone, so I didn't take too much importance for that. But I have to tell you guys, you must try it. They will charge you for 100 pesos. The result was amazing. Unfortunately, I cannot show you guys because I didn't take one. If you love the nature and the viewpoint, this is the best place to go and see because it gives you a top view. If you like this video so far, subscribe would be awesome. See the ledge, it is already very deep. I think close to 30 meters, I can say 100 feet. If you fall down, that's going to be like a very tragic for you. So be careful when you sit on the ledge. It's very deep. Now the time to fly my drone. This is the last place to visit in the land tour. We already visited Subal Lagoon in the morning. After that we went to Makpapunko rock pool. Then we visited Mason River. This is the fourth place, coconut view deck. As usual, I say all the videos, the typhoon took a lot of coconut trees here also. That typhoon take a lot of beauty of nature, but still the place is booming very well. It's coming very good. But if you want the real effect, you need to wait another 10 years. Currently you can see only 40% of coconut trees. This is the one place in Siargao you will get the top view of the coconut tree. Here you can see clearly a lot of coconut trees missing. This coconut view deck, 25 minutes drive from Janaruna, which is the most of the tourists stay for their vacation. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe. That would be awesome.